Hey everybody, welcome to 75 Fern Street in Auburn, Maine. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom home sits almost at the end of a dead-end street just outside the city center. So you're close to restaurants, a ski area, all of the facilities, and a ton of shopping. This home has built-in cabinets, which I'm going to show you in a second, and a really surprise, cool thing in the upstairs. So let's go take a look. The kitchen's great. It's got plenty of counter space, lots of cabinets, and these cabinets are amazing. Let me just show you real quick this one here. Opens all the way out, so there's plenty of room here. This opens up to show you another whole area way in the back. And so upstairs in this bedroom, we've got 2 large windows on the side, adding a ton of light, a nice fan light here, and again, knee wall built-ins over here. And here's that surprise I talked about in the upstairs. This awesome room needs to be finished, obviously, but look at the space. You could put in bedrooms, you could put in an office, you could put in a cool pool room, tons of space to do whatever you want. And around the back of the house, you'll find this spacious backyard with a couple of huge rhododendrons that look awesome in the spring. Very quiet, lots of stone walls lining the backyard. It's really nice. There's an entrance off the garage, goes right into the mudroom, and then you're into your new house.